Today we're doing something I've never planned on doing, never wanted to do. Had a chance to come do it and decided why not take the kids and go see what it's all about. Today we're doing the NBA experience. I hate the fact that my beloved Disney Quest is gone, but I'm gonna go in with this with an open mind and see what it's like, see if I like it. I have no idea what to expect. I've never looked at any pictures, any videos, nothing. I have no clue what's inside. So I'm gonna go in as open of a mind as I possibly can and see how this all plays out. Let's go. It's gonna be serious. You gotta sign a waiver. Now, I feel like this needs to be said up front. I am not a basketball fan. I am not a sports fan in general. So I'm still curious to see how this is gonna be. This could be fun. Could be. Not gonna lie, I walked in and got a little depressed. This wasn't Disney Quest. After you check in, let's come over here, tap each individual card, put name, age, all that stuff. All right, this is mine. So I am 78 years old. No, I'm kidding. How old am I? 30. Josie Holly, she's gonna help you with yours. I don't have a team, so I'm gonna go Charlotte Hornets because that's my hometown. You can do yours in a second. Oh, beginner, I'm terrible. What's your nickname? 3-point Guru. All right. A little touch points, a little basketball. Cool. This is pretty much identical to Disney Quest's layout. Not sure why they had to destroy the entire building to make the same thing again. Look. Doing the draft combine. See if my skills stack up to be an NBA player. First off, of course I don't, I'm white, that's never gonna happen. Plus I'm not good at basketball at all. I'm tall, like 6'4". People always picked me first in gym class. They thought I was gonna be really good and tall, and incorrect.
And who knows, maybe we'll see you doing something like this in the NBA someday soon.
Definitely not. First thing we noticed was there's not really a map. There's like no map for this place. They didn't give us one. They didn't say maps over there. I didn't see. Maybe there is. We just didn't see one.
There's no signs.
There's no signs for anything. There actually was a thing that said like zones, but it's like by the stairs. It's kind of strange layout. To be fair, so was Disney Quest. Disney Quest was a strange layout too. It doesn't mean it's bad.
You're going to get the chance to run through some of the same skills and activities pro prospects do at the NBA Draft Combine.
Terrible. No technique. Not very strong. Certainly not accurate. Certainly can't jump. There's no power there. Wingspan, I'm 6'4", so there's that. I played basketball a lot growing up. I was in a lot of like private Christian leagues, and I was usually the only white kid on the team. And not good.
Oh, it shut off. It shut off. Jim. Mo. Almost.
Over that net is really steep.
Oh.
Read it. Stand in front. I messed up. You gotta see it right here. This is kind of cool. You take this, you slingshot it back to try to get into the net. This is impossible. It's such a cool idea, but you just can't get the spring to spring back enough. God, what a bummer. It's so close to being great. Now, much like Hagrid, that would be awesome if it worked. They've got a little arcade area over here. We can play some basketball games, even stuff for the little kids.
Well, hello. Perfect. Hold it right there, okay? Here, take this one. Whoa. You did pretty good.
That's fun. Oh, so close. Yes! His favorite team is the Orlando Magic. Now, she's never heard of the Orlando Magic, but that's her favorite team. Never mind, she's the Charlotte Hornets. That's her favorite team.
Are you ready? You look nervous. Are you nervous? No? Good.
She wasn't in your space for yours. Move.
Right up here, okay? Only 15 seconds to get there.
How little she looks. Hit her in the face.
Good job.
Shoot again, baby. Shoot it. Woo! Well, that was embarrassing, wasn't it?
Good job.
Don't have a ton of time to spend here today, but I think we're gonna do one last thing here. Let's try one last thing. We're doing a replay. Let's see here. He is indeed currently, it looks like a two-pointer to me, but what do I know? So this is supposed to be rolled a two-pointer on the floor? Overturn. No. Overturn.
5 seconds left. Time to confirm or overturn the call.
As you can see, he's clearly right behind the three-point line there. And John, what do you think? Well, I'd say, you need to get the offense on there and get it. You should be hiring me for this. I got this. And I have the broadcasting voice as well. Well, that was dumb. We've pretty much done everything, I think. This is much smaller than I thought it was initially. So I thought we were leaving a little early, but we are not. I think we've done everything, right?
Yeah. There's 2 films we didn't watch, but I'm not.
I'm all set on
and
that.
And trivia. Which, nothing.
I'm pretty good at trivia normally, but not sports.
The restrooms, we didn't check out.
We didn't check the restrooms, which I love to do, and that's weird, but I do. I don't film them, but I like to go and see. Alright, that is it for this episode. My overall thoughts on the NBA experience are it is completely unnecessary and not as good as Disney Quest, therefore it shouldn't be here. Don't dislike NBA experience, a lot of people hate on it, but it's just, for me, it's just embarrassing because I suck at sports. I think They should have left well enough alone. That's what I think. All right, guys, we'll see you next time. Have a great one. May the force be with you. This stuff is just flying off the shelves. Just, you can't even keep them. Just flying off the shelves. All right, now no joke, I might have to get one of these.